Hey, what's going on? So I recently was working with a Shopify store on their product filter, and one of the things that they mentioned was they wanted the items to be listed in alphabetical order. So this is how we this is how it looks in alphabetical order. And I'm going to show you an example. If you look at Nike.com, if you look at their filter items, you see it's not in any alphabetical order. It goes from lifestyle to running, training, back up to B, basketball, football, yoga, walking, back to outdoors. So you see it's not in alphabetical order. But with their items, they wanted everything listed in alphabetical order. So I'm going to show you how you can implement this on your product filter as well. So what you want to do is you want to go to the liquid code file that has this product filter. So in this case, it's the product grid tag groups.liquid file. But wherever your product filter code is on your store, that's where you want to go. And all you want to do at the top of the code, before you get to the for tag and sorted tag, which this is basically code about these tags on your store and about these product filters. Before you reach that point, right before, you want to add this piece of code right here to assign these sorted tags sorted alphabetically. So I'm going to leave this up here so that you can type this code, assign sorted tags equals sorted tags. This piece of code is going to allow these tags, product tags on your store to be organized alphabetically. And so I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or you're looking to implement this, feel free to reach out. All my information is down below. I'll be glad to help you out and work with you to set this up on your store. But thanks again.